maritime border route with Somalia.
S.Y.L sifted through the intelligence report and now breaks down the mission of the attackers.
The Somalia-based mariixan militia from the Gedo region of southern Somalia and near Kenya's border town of Elwak may be planning a series of coordinated attacks on Somali clans on the Kenyan side of the border. According to the intelligence reports, the militia plans to disguise itself as Al-Shabaab and carry out kidnappings of teachers, medics and government workers. The militia is also said to be planning a raid of medical facilities in northern Kenya for supplies. The intention is to instigate clan wars along the border, create unrest and carry out well-calculated kidnappings, all in a bid to force the government's hand to soften its stand on the maritime border row festering between the two countries.
In the actual sense, it's not non-locals are getting targeted, is their fabric as a society that is getting targeted, is a complete socio-economic sabotage that is getting targeted at our region.
We have agreed that political will is important, that there should be no doubt in the minds of Wananchi when a political leader talks that Al-Shabaab is an existential threat to Kenya.
On the 19th of June 2019, heavily armed mariixan gunmen attempted to kidnap a senior government officer in Mandera but were repulsed. The militants are also believed to be behind the killing of 10 Kenyan police officers in Wajir, whose vehicle ran over an IED. 2 days before the deadly IED attack, suspected mariixan militia kidnapped 3 National Police Service reservists who were responding to a distress call in Konton area.
These terrorists, they move among the people, they sleep there, they eat there. And there's this hush-hush about even being given other names like, Arsenal or whatever. They are given code names. We need them now to get out of that, and it is because of fear factor. So we need to remove the fear factor.
The intelligence briefs indicate that the militants have disguised on social media as the Northern Frontier Independent Party, a secessionist movement posing as freedom fighters. Security agencies are, however, thanking members of the public in the entire northeastern region for their continued vigilance and support. Residents are being urged to continue working with the government in order to thwart future planned terror attacks. S.Y.L, NTV, Nairobi.